Iyah. Give me the park. Give me the, yes, me the, you put the national heroes there. You to the hero. Yeah, man, to the, as I say now, me a continue now. I center me there. I center me there now. I'm not sure you, I'm not sure you see the lawnmower, yeah. Broke down and can't fix. You know, see it. So I tell you. So I go burn some fire upon such man, you know, the Falmouth United, you know. You understand me? Because I'm not going nothing. You know, see it. I'm not going nothing. Because now I know the field. Because such man tell me say training will start tomorrow. You know, see it. That's why sometimes, you know, brother, you see, I can't blame the youth for always in cope on the field, you know. Because you don't do nothing. Because see, you like how Gage want to build full farm over here. You can raise them cow and go and do them thing. Come in, come video now, cow, you know. And the field become the video. You know, see, because when I come burn fire a park a while ago. I'm say burn fire, you know. Yeah, man. Me big up Andre. You understand me? To what I do, the park field. And Andre responsibility. Yeah, man, but Andre do it. I'm going to talk a matter right now. You see, who? When I say such man, you know, what claims they want Falmouth United, you know. I don't talk Kimani Mali, you know. I say such man, you know, I don't talk dads, you know. You know, when somebody go court me, you know, say this about dads and that about Kimani. When me call, if a man who call such man, I don't call his name. But him claims the boy in a seat. He own Falmouth United in such a sense. Yeah, man. The first time I do the post with the cow in the field, you know, a such man called me and tell me to pull off the post, you know, because they have the lease for the property, you know, and they respond for yes, you know. And that's it. And he can take away the lease from them. And I say, okay, I go pull it. Understand me? I go pull off. I pull off it. You understand me? And such man did cut the field, you know. Shortly after, you know. Cut the field to pathway, you know. Such man cut the field pathway, you know. And I say, such man, why not cut the field to the entirety? Because the one goalpost did the same way. And cut the field pathway. And cut the field pathway. You understand me? And I finish cut the and I finish it. And the place grew up back again. Such man I tell me say because me talk and me post it because that's tell me say at trials. Sometime this week at trials. And that's tell me. And such man call me and tell me say yes, and on trials thing. Such man say training will start tomorrow. No trials. And that such man saying us. Such man say training will start tomorrow. You know see it? Yes. And Dads and Bobby them start cut the field and the lawnmower broke down. I look for when the lawnmower broke down. You know see it? And the field can't finish cut. Because Bumpy had send money for buy gas to cut the field, you know. Because the man interested in the thing same way, you know. I don't have the same field like Casman do some little train some kids, you know. At Falmouth Center, you know. Yes. That's what I tell, come and tell Falmouth people them. I'm going to tell me you them how to raise the cow up on the field. Me not see it. Come and tell me them youngsters that. Me not against none at all. I survive when I survive. Because when you sit a youth now turn to no crime and them sitting there. When they make use of the place and they raise no cattle. Because if Gage gonna be a foul farm, Gage gonna build pan, you know. As long as Kimani Mali can respond for the football part alone. And cross so when I use you can go raise them cow over there. Raise the animal over there. Because if Gage can build full farm pan there, why do you them from compound and why do you them from Falmouth can't raise two cows same way? The part one I use. Because unless it's Kimani Mali get the full place. The full place to build a sports complex. Not for the youth them, come and tell you something, not for the youth them what they have them animal over here. because them you see, some people don't want to know, but the youth them have to survive. The youth them not turn to no crime and I'm sitting there. Get the business minding. So they can start out there so. And the government they can find if they can get certain place when they can, if they have to take over back by people who love sports to a certain levels, they can at least they can start out there so, and they can bring them animal farming. You have to go somewhere else. But what I say, if Gage they turn the place in a fowl farm, the youth them can go and raise them cow, see me until they can find somewhere to put them cow. And that I talk about, you know. Some of the people them know say you have a cow on the film. I'm not against you, them got the place really not used for you. Look at the place stay. And such man, tomorrow training starting and such man, tomorrow Tuesday now. And lawnmower brought down same way in a seat. You can't get two work because such man and Falmouth United. If you don't have the money if you run the thing, you better give it up to some people. Because if Kim and the man don't interested in the thing again, give it to some people. Because no funny man, because upon the street, I hear the man saying, man, then I want to take interest in that side, you know, because I'm Mali side, you know. For the betterment of the youths of Falmouth. You understand me? For the betterment of the youths of Falmouth, brother. Give the team to person who love the football and interest and can put in thing in the thing. You can't have the place stay, sir. Because of Falmouth United response for this going here. Falmouth United. I call a spades. You know see it? I know Gage. I know Gage response for your son. Falmouth United get the list. All of Kimani want the whole complex. You know see about Gage and give me the whole place. Then cut off piece and do them little thing. You know see it? Gage have him homeless people them when love. Because Gage love youth when he can take out that's it they can come out of the poverty thing and be homeless. Gage want to be homeless. You know see it? You know see if he feed you know. You know see it? And work on him fowl farm. And that's why I come out for the youth, I'm using cow on the field. I come out for them right now. Because if Gage can raise fowl pan Falmouth Center, why the youth them, the part of Falmouth Center when I occupy, when I'm build up. Make them go farm, check up on it too. Because the whole place will be sports for youths, you know. The whole place will be sports, you know. No farmer something, you know. No farmer animal here with it, you know. But what I say, if Gage they go build fowl farm, because when you can't trick people, when you can't trick me. You know see it? If Gage go build fowl farm, you them can raise them cows same way. A center where we now use, because center big in man. So if Falmouth United come back, Falmouth United just concentrate upon yourself, the guns just so, and the stands and all them sitting there. Yes. I've certainly ever can left and you can raise them cow. Look you then go and raise them cow and start up the animal thing and then can carry them thing. Something different. But look what I talk about now, such man. Such man, you see those such man. You see for the time when we lick out the time there, and you cut the field to the fullness, you say you don't do it. Look how down on the part of the field stay. A pay problem for all the land more. You know see, because they make things difficult for yourself. The time when bonfire time, you know, I tell me to take down the thing, you know. Yes, to tell me to take it down. Because you go cut the field. I will cut the field part with such man. And I now see the lawnmower brought down. But I go get a link. A brethren in a seat. A brethren who I get a link. A brethren who me link up yourself. I can't all call his name. Yeah man, the brethren named Tiger. The Tiger was them same one. Them same one do the work at bike school. Come and tell Tiger, ask Tiger if he have no mobile lawnmower. Tiger said yes, he have link for mobile lawnmower. And I can't get a link. I go send a Tiger number such man. And Tiger can't get a link where you can get money who can fix lawnmower. Can you tell me one person? Well, beside, on the shortcut beside, where you come on for the highway. You come on for the highway and you walk. Come on for come off of the highway while you to Iyah. Come off of the highway there, I can walk on the shortcut there and pass Iyah Infant. I'm going to Iyah Primary. One shortcut there right there so. You see one gentleman out there so. In a seat. Can fix small engine. You can fix lawnmower. In a seat. So what I say to you now, Tiger? So what I say to you now, such man, you go say no Tiger number, because Tiger know you and Tiger know all where they go on. In a seat. So, only thing I'm telling you, such man, if you don't have the money if you run football, or if you have money if you run football, you know, stop be like in a seat. Because if Kimani Mali don't interest tonight, when they get somebody who interest in anything, and they come together, because they feel if they cut, because tier 2 soon start, and then start training. Last year, when they cut field, in a per match there, and they lose 3 valuable points. When they lose 3 valuable points, you know, against Reno, you know. And Falmouth United and such man, that's where the players, that's where the youth them use the ground and they try to make a living and fight. Because we can't stop the youth them. I mean, I call the youth their name. But the youth them have ambition. Them youth don't turn to crime, the youth them are not crime thing. And the youth them don't live none. Because I know the youth them they do them thing because they obviously everybody knows how they wait on the field. I know. Youth them have them ambition. Them youth they all they can play ball too, and they play no football. And the man have them ambition. The man don't turn to crime. I cool youth them. I mean I call the youth them name. Because the man come check me, one of them come check me and tell me the reason why I do what I do. And I can't blame them. Because Falmouth Centre to maintain right through. Not when Falmouth United are in a seat. Not when Falmouth United want train and want play football. Not when Falmouth United I go prepare for tier 2. Una cut field. The field cut and maintain right through in a season and out of season. That the youth in fan compound can't see man play ball over here. That's why 14 man and race coach man. That's why Zizard and the man they couldn't play ball at evening time. And you couldn't play ball same way. You can't cut field when time a time for training. Eh? Can't cut field such man. Because you claim say you want from United, you call me all the while, you know. I don't talk Kimani Mali, you know. I don't talk dads, you know. I don't talk such man, you know. I don't call him, you know, but you know yourself. So like I'm a bun for you upon gate when do the part of the centre. Must have bun some for you upon you. I know you're good. You're my brethren. Training will start tomorrow. And look at the place stay. Eh? And to the holiday. Only go cut the field for training. I want you to like, what? You do like down a park. Cut out and go part. When you go part of the field and you cut out. I just want to go train pan. When I cut the entire field. You know see it? When you need to cut the entire field, man, the goalpost, man. The entire perimeter of the field. If you cut. I mean, I talk long here, so better. Someone want to know where they go on. Because the field, the grass nice, you know. You know, maintain. Back in the days, when village were in control it, when Jeff them in control it, the field when they maintain. When Jeff them, when Village United used to run, when Village United used to run centre, because the Jeff them started, you know, in a seat. Because some of the stands in my build up, all them stands in my build up, Jeff them build them, and D-White brother build them, you know. When D-White them and Jeff them used to run Village United, the field cut right through, the field stay maintained right through the year. Right through the season, inner season, outer season. I'm gonna play ball same way. And when Village where we start, when Village where we start them thing now, in a seat. Village Avi. Yes. That's my big ups. That's my soldier a match. A former village player. And what the man say about me when I come on the village. Because I travel up and down with village. Jeff White did give me my ID. As village photographer, we to decorate the center with paved picture. Yeah, man, when village I run the things. Yes. Because right now, such man, Falmouth United the thing boiled down to center, you know. Back in the days when you have conquerors and you have village, and conquerors control park and take care of park, and village and them take care of you, so. At the time, they used to have gongs, man. From cities having gongs, man. Mr. Jackson in a seat. Yeah, man, that I see more of them, that I directed them family, them, Mr. Jackson. Seymour and Mamo and him and Delta and father. He was a gongs man, maintained Falmouth. And G, when him G father was a watchman at night time. Was watch and protect the center. And Mr. Jackson was a gongs man. Cut the field and all them sitting there. So through the 70s, 80s and 90s, man went up and down they want to play sports. In a Michael Manley time, in a Siaga time. PGA time same way. Porsche time same way. Because in the year 2000, early part of 2000, village have it. Because parish council, when time PMP didn't control center, you know. Back in the days, you know. At all time, they never did want the village, you know. We just play football alone, you know. Because if village didn't get it, trucks now couldn't play upon the place because I find it football stopping on trucks here can't keep us again. Because through the fence and all them sitting there. That's why trucks people when they complain. Because they don't at the center for football alone. Because cricket can't play us again. I just football and netball and then sitting there. Football, netball and basketball. Because you have a court out this. But trucks can't take place by us again because through the fence and all them sitting there. And so that's why you find say no trucks no there so again. A football alone. In a seat. And when village went heavy, people used to come over here, come play in sports same way. But since Falmouth United getting out, then lock off the place. I don't like with Falmouth United still now. That agree with me. Because by the way, people have access to the place when they can treat them like young ones same way with sports. The gongs, not feel lock off with those Falmouth United alone. The gongs will open. The people can come. But when Falmouth United will have a train now, them control it and do them thing. My God, brother. Such man and Falmouth United I want to deal with. Such man and Falmouth United, when I talk Kimani Marlene, I talk such man, you know, and Falmouth United, you know, one to deal with. In a seat. If you can maintain, it take money if you run a football thing, you know. It take money, you know. Word of mouth can't work, you know. Because my God, man, if you can prepare the lawnmower brought down. If the lawnmower brought down, you can hire lawnmower and pay some people or get some workman and pay them to cut the field. Such man at Falmouth United, if you can cut the field, wow, you go run a football club. In such man, if you can cut the field, or Falmouth United can get players to come play for you. A joke thing in a deal, you know. You them a play ball for club when they can get money from, you know, and organize things, you know. That's why Duncan's United, yeah. I don't know if them homegrown or when they go play for them games. You understand me? But come on, Falmouth United, brother. Not call that spade, not call spade that spade. Because we have burn fire upon Gauger, you know. Because right now, Gauger in the seat. Gauger in the homeless crew. Because Gauger they mobilize people, you know. Because Gauger go building fowl farm, you know. And raising chicken them, you know. I don't know who we go sell them to. You understand me? But Gauger, I have to make Gauger come down. And this we have left. And this we have left. And this we have left here, you know. In a seat. We can't turn them on football complex. Just like my brother. Just like my brother in Everton Tamlin. In a seat. Yeah, man, Everton. Yeah, man, the president of Westmoreland Football Association. I'm here telling about. We're having football complex. And I teach Westmoreland youth them ball. That's why when Mannings beat up Nip School Saturday. You understand me? The man who coach Mannings, I'm a transfer Mannings football. within sports complex. Because I'm Westmoreland in teaching football. Panning football complex me I talk about. A land dialogue. That's why I said them. So when we touch upon the beach, we talk about that. We talk about the reason why they got difficult for school for Trelawney. If you win something there. If you win Dakar Stack Up. But such man, me a burn fire upon you, such man. Such man, me turn on the fire upon you. And Falmouth United. Every year you do the same foolishness. Last year, I right at this first match in a cut field and lose point against Enuh. Only a play commission and train. Only a play commission, only one enter in the commission, only have no base. We want to know where they go on. Because if Falmouth United can't prepare the field, and no land more brought down and the field can't cut. You know see it? Bumpy has send gas for help by Bumpy has send money for help by gas. You know see it? Bumpy has send money for help. For get Jasper when Jasper keep all in look, because yes, Jasper keep all in look thing pan weekend. Because Jasper use them so. Forget to teach you them football. Because Bumpy the link now and say want somebody to teach you them football. Just like how never go and teach us football at center weekend time. I'm tell Bumpy about Jasper. Because Jasper they do it. So that's why Bumpy send money come, because gas buy everything, you know, for the field for cut, you know. I want people to know that. Bumpy send money come. Because the general who Bumpy, because Bumpy know the people who trust for sending money come for do certain things, you know. Because the same Bumpy, what's when in their compound. And he kick up in their mother belly. When time you see it, because your mother tell him. When time footballer play for center, Bumpy to kick up in their mother belly, well want come out. And Bumpy when the best, what I say, in a film age group and the best youngsters ever come out of Falmouth. When they come out of football. Yeah man, are the best that. Everybody talk about Richard Bumpy inland. And him come out other day and see the one and see the condition and stay and see I'm gonna try to help out. That's what I tell all Kimani and Falmouth United. We need to get my man like Bumpy back in the thing. Because Bumpy to bring Kimani yes, with ball. I remember back in the days when Bumpy and Kimani come down here. That's why Kimani love football, because Bumpy to bring come, you know, left Bumpy. Kimani, if you have man running in system, and you see it, have some senior man in the system and know about the thing and know certain things. And Kimani do him things still, you know. I don't tell you Kimani if you run him thing, you know. But the pure foolishness are going, brother. Pure foolishness are going, brother. I mean, I burn fire upon such man and Falmouth United. If you can't prepare a field, only go prepare, only go run a club. Only go run a football side. If you can't pay money, I get money and put on money and because it just take, because if you Tiger them and have them land more, them mobile land more. All you need to do, link Tiger and pay Tiger them some money and pay the people them some money. Forget, for the land more brought down for when. If you can't pay money to cut the field, such man, only want to run football. The field there, you know. The field there. Because Duncan United now don't feel like how Falmouth United had them field. The field there, such man. The field there already, such man. So, you know, see it. Because right there on the section right now, no corner there so right now. Because they move them car and they go on, carry them car somewhere. Come in and turn the camera up and knock out. Come in and turn the camera up and knock out. Come and tell the man them say, the youth them can use the field. As long as the section of the part they don't use. Because we call them the right, you know. Because Falmouth can have 2 fields, you know. 2 fields, you know. So the club them, if they go use the next section same way, if they go prepare, because what villages, you know. Villages will prepare yourself, you know. And train over the next section over there, you know. I don't want to turn the camera, I don't want to turn the camera over there. The section close to police station. The other side of the place. I just said they must train more time, because 2 field can't work so. And then there's rest so and prepare it. Prepare it. Yeah. But the other part, grass up same way. So they can raise them cow and do them thing. And make them and see if they can build them cow thing, so they can buy a piece of property same way and go and raise them cow pan. Them youth they are good youth them. Them youth they don't do crime. Them youth they don't hype. Them youth they do school. When the youth want educated youth and want, in the city, I mean, like a general. It was cool, calm, and it was cool. I mean, I'm calling him. But I say, as long as Falmouth United and bring a thing in the city to all over the side, if Falmouth United now use over there, so you can raise. Because nobody can come and thief them cow and all them sitting. You're mad. You know, say you can raise them cow because so. With the grass, when they can feed them and take care of them. Because if Gauge can run full farm over here, if Gauge can run in the city, as long as if Falmouth United and use certain section, make the youth raising cow. Make the youth raising cow. And if Cross Sudan use, make the man run in coal mine over there. Because that's the one. Make the man in one because the whole complex in the sports, you know. But man chop off piece side and do them foolishness. Some man not take off piece and do them hustling the same way. So the man can do them coal pit. You can raise them cow on certain section of the field. They can raise them cow, yes. Because certain part now, because the place is so big and certain part now use. So you can raise them cow. Because if Gauge can raise chicken of fowl farm over here. Because if you have big old fowl farm, you go feed homeless people. So if Gauge can do that, why didn't they raise them cow? See, that's how you go. And Falmouth United just concentrate on the section now. All only go one certain section of the park of vehicles still. Depending on Falmouth United and the youth them, who they raise them cow. So long as they now utilize the place for a certain level, you can go and raise them cow until you know, say boy, you come a time to move it and carry something different. But as long as Falmouth United now use certain section, you can go and do them thing better. Because Falmouth United now do nothing. For right, you know, such man a joke thing, you know. You tell me say no, you tell me say no triage things. Training start tomorrow until the holiday. And field start cut, lawnmower broke down. And such man, when you can't get this man will fix. If you can't, when you can't get the lawnmower fix, you can't pay some man. Pay some man to cut the field. If you can't pay to prepare the field, such man only go enter competition. If you can't maintain the field through the year, you can't have a guns man and maintain the man. Because Bobby can maintain it for the cut one time and Bobby just cut the regular, you know. When you wait until you reach a stage, because my voice out the time there, you know, and such when you tell me, say, boy, pull everything, you know. And I pull it down. And I wait and see there. It works now. If you cut it right through Valentine and maintain it, just like our time when two of them cut bag school and the time they during January, you should maintain it, bag school and get so worse. Because more money now. And gonna worse condition. And same thing with the such man. Look at the grass and get higher up now. Yeah man, today he was there. And big up to all the hands-on sporting he was them. All the hands-on sporting he was them. Was one up and down on center field. None of them dead and gone, some of them still alive same way, but we all know Iyah so at the second place where sporting start take place at Trelawney. Because my brother say a park field Nip School Sports start from and come a center. And yes, because me witness Nip School Sports down here so. Yeah man, I say 70s in the seat. When John Senti and Duffus clash. Then tell me we have Nip School Sports. You ever go like Marlene and them Hardry steal all of them. Yes, I see them run. Yes, I Nip School Sports is the keep. And Barry School Sports too. Use the keeper, so. We them have big truck and stuff for run round. Yes, Barry School Sports is the keep. Yes, Nip School Sports is the keep. But no trucks can't keep us again. Because of the football thing right now. And yes, I pick about the whole of them. John Senti, Betty, in a seat, File, at Burger still, Ashy, the whole of them. Just one up and down. So all of my hands-on heroes them. Sporting ancestors. Out of Falmouth. Happy heroes there. All in a seat. All who is alive and all who pass off. Because I didn't see Joan Cruyff. We might talk about football and better. And country football. I just saw country man get the chance in time, you know. You never see Joan Cruyff play football if it's in it. You never see S90 play football yet. the Conquerors. S90 to go Cornwall. Come from Granville. S90. I want to some people, brother. Who don't know no sporting ancestors. That's what I say. All the people them. Because I born Conquerors people them, you know. Who they were was the play upon Conquerors, you know, upon Parkfield, you know. And when I talk certain things about Parkfield, when I talk about me too political, I see one of village people too. Because you see village and ethnic homegrown. I see one of village and ethnic people. And I show how center stay. Center when we village and ethnic mostly. Because ethnic come out of village, you know. Same like how studs come out of Conquerors, you know. Because of park when we Conquerors and studs. Yes, when we ethnic and village. And look how center stay upon certain levels. Yeah man, so what I say, I speak about the playgrounds, because I know what sports can do. I know what sports can do because I tell you I treat tricky people, you know. Because sportsmen and women make more money than doctors and lawyers. I say full time they have sports in the school syllabus. And a sports at the subjects area and teach you them about sports. And they make a living out of it. Because I seem like everybody couldn't turn doctors and lawyers because if you have money to be doctors and lawyers, the people, rich people they can be doctors and lawyers and all them sitting there. Because much for God university and college and all them sitting nowadays. It take a lot of money. It not going to take much money for make a youth. To teach you about sports and make a living off of sports. Because, as I say, when we go up on the beach, we go talk about a place like a Mount Pleasant Academy. Because from Mount Pleasant Academy, touch up a Senton there. Yeah, from Mount Pleasant Academy, touch Senton. You see a Senton football transform. One white man come from overseas and spend some money and build a football academy. A Senton then, near Mount Pleasant Academy. So, as I say, more content the time I go up on the beach right now. But schoolboy football. So, as I say, I come out, it's like me big up Andre and him crew. Yeah man, Andre and him crew, the young councillor out there, caretaker out there, what really control Cooper Spring football side. They love sports and they love football and take up an interest in some airport park. So that's my big up Andre. But this one I know, I got bonfire, I bonfire upon such man and Falmouth United. If you don't interest in anything again, give it up to some different person, brother. Just like how Jasper give up back a start to Falmouth United. You understand me? So that they never go to so that never go weird on to come up back. And Jasper the interest that in the place and Jasper give it up to Kimani. Jasper impart it first, you know, start out with it, you know, and then phase out Jasper. And then get other man run it. Because Jasper can run it, you know. Jasper a big coach, you know. Big coach, you know, Casman Jasper Williams, you know. But a profit no and a Hannah in our hometown. Come out about Jasper, you know. When we go beach. Come no long this a one me no long this a post a be. But me a burn fire upon such man and Falmouth United. Just like me a burn fire upon Gager. And I big up the youth them. In the seat. Youngsters, when they can go and utilize it and go and raise in a cow. But you can't feast, you can't raise cow yourself forever. You cannot, because when people take it up serious things will go on. So the youth them, me big up the youth them while raise them cow and you can get a start. So you can buy a property and put them cow upon it. And raise them cow same way. Because Gager I go raise in fowl farm over here. Gager go raise in fowl farm a center, so they can go and raise in cow. Until when time, until coming to the family, it's like, boy, sure. But I don't talk here, brother. Because joke thing such man and Falmouth United in the seat. Yeah man, come as a such man interested, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know, such man interested, you know. Such man have the heart, you know, but such man, heart alone can't do it. You have to have the financial backative. You understand me? Because Kimani just spending money, you know. But the man is certain vibes, the man does get fed up as far as me concerned. concern. Because of the thing that show me that I want to talk, brother. But just want to know what left of center right now. What left of, what they left with. If such man and farmer tonight, just concentrate on the guns, keep the guns up and running, and fix up the stand them. And we have a part for man park them vehicle. When time match time come. So for the time being, you understand me? Let the man take right now. So, as well as a such man say, I trade in tomorrow. So me go tell such man, if you have money, we can get a lawnmower like this from and finish cut the field. Because I'm going to send him the youth number now. Because the youth say he know a man who can fix lawnmower. You're supposed to know Tiger, because Tiger know you. I'm going to tell Tiger about the situation now. Tiger say, he knows somebody who can fix lawnmower. And Tiger say he have lawnmower too. So if you want to league Tiger, and he can negotiate some money and pay Tiger them, the same Tiger and crew was you see what sort out park. Tiger and crew was sort out park. I big up Tiger because Tiger willing. Tiger the man who love sports. A former Nip School dig up player. Active part at the Nip School dig up alumni. Tiger in some of the coming and mix politics than this thing. Yeah man. But as I say, Tiger be links. Such man, Tiger be links to fixing the lawnmower. To fix the lawnmower. Because you know a man who can fix the lawnmower. And Tiger them have lawnmower too. Like this when they can cut the field. So such man, when you run football thing, you don't have no money. You don't have no money if you run football. So such man, if Falmouth come here and talk plain and straight, if Falmouth United don't have the money for the thing, you better give up the thing to people. And that's it. Who can run it? Because you can't go start training this week here and commissioners suppose the soon start and the team no start training it. Team no start training, so they go play. In such man, come on brother. I call a spade, you know. Because I done that already, you know. You don't like me, I say, you know. You see it? Because my friends go down there, and sometimes boy, I say, boy, judge I know better me does. Because boy, I don't know what trust. So, I shouldn't enter me and remember about Soko. Boy, I say, but I say, Soko live on and me same way. Come on, such man and Falmouth United, brother. All the stands them and fix up and enough little things to sort out. You take cash to run football, you hear me? So such man and Falmouth United, when you contact Mr. McNeil, we can McNeil and so Mr. we can McNeil can do for you, so. Because the reason why, you know, me want the people to know say no man. Because of the way so I don't want to touch on politics, man. When I go down the beach, I go talk a little more. But such man, I go send the link to the bedroom to Tiger, so you can talk to Tiger, and then Tiger can negotiate. Yeah man. See that? I sign off for now. Come Brenton, come here. I some fire me a burn, you know. Me a burn fire, you know. I'm glad to see you coming, you know. I'm going to post you up to see me, you know. Yes. I'm telling you, me general. Thing I go on, I don't more talking, you know. Machine button from when? I'm button again. Such man, people, such man just arrive. Come here, sign off, you know. Broke down and now, look for when but the fix now. In a seat. A gas run out. People see such money. Come here, burn fire upon him, you know. I'm going to post him up, you know. I'm going to post. See such. Come go tell you a link. A Tiger, you know Tiger. I'm going to Tiger part of the school. Tiger, when you tell me, oh. A man who can fix it. It fix such man. Alright, people, such man say fix. People, this is such man. I want Falmouth United, so I burn fire upon him, you know. I him see such man, I'm glad boy God work in things in such a way. Glad work in things in such a way, brother. Yeah man, you see me such man? No man. Me the man me now put it on the youth them cow. You them can raise them cow such man because Only go use us, only not use us. Eh? The way the person got cut up. Alright. When you fix everything. Yeah man, when you do that, you can move them cow. Because if Gator can have him foul farm over here. You can't tell Gator that such man. Such man you can't tell Gator say no foul farm can come over here. Oh? A guard town. And God sitting on the ass and make Gator the God a joke kind of. God too soft you know. Now burn for you and God too because God me not put up God like you know. God can't sit on the ass in a council and make Gator the dictate to him.
Listen me.
Eh?
More you use your head.
Use me, yes.
Nip school you go, you're bright boy.
Oh, okay, we already know so guy. Where's what nip school?
You go, you're bright
Ignorance,
boy.
what? Where you go?
Me say at nip school you go, you're bright boy.
Ignorance enslaved and knowledge liberate.
Knowledge liberate.
The whole of you are bright youth.
Full farm can't come with.
I mean full fan can't go there.
Listen,
Eh? This is when I go long, you know.
The me are no idiot. Me know say the me are.
Full farm, you know read
Full
it.
farm, no.
The me are put full farm there.
The me can't put full farm. See the infirmary there.
A full farm, man.
Listen me no man, stop talk foolishness man. Right?
All right.
When I tell us something, there's certain things bad.
Yes.
You know if you put political divides in it.
Me not put a political device tonight.
You understand?
And a political.
I Falmouth this.
Yes.
The police station is right.
Yeah, alright, talk.
And the Queen prisoner them in it.
Yeah, man, yeah.
The infirmary there that's with poor people.
Yeah.
And the hospital there that's
Yeah.
with sick people.
Yeah.
And nurses and doctors. How would it me have to think about put forward for this? So you hear no dead man.
And I mean, you know here.
Listen me man, they say believe half of what you say I'm not aware.
Right, me glad.
Me not think, listen me.
Yeah.
A gauger.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to do that. And me not think nobody in I come say you have to go do that. When you put one in I come, do better than that no man.
Yeah, man, no, brother. All Falmouth chickens. Both of them is a Gator homeless. They present. Gator keep in 5K walk for raise funds to build full farm. Brenton away the Brenton.
Listen me.
Brenton away.
Full farm now can't be over here.
Me should not stop it thinking, you know.
No, Mr. Listen.
And me go cut out for your part. You see me go catch for your part. Me go link because me can cut out for your part and me go talk. Can go split the thing them. Cause your name such man.
You me I said to you, brother.
You know see it?
I want government to hold it for loose land a country. Mr. Gage me have to farm.
For Chilani.
Anywhere in one land to put full farm to feed poor people.
Yeah.
You can't get it. I don't think Mr. Gage will do that. Me tell you from the heart.
Alright. Alright,
Don't
full
follow
farm.
no fool people and talk them things is better.
Alright. You see it? I want a media.
Politics start them the dead.
I know politics talk. I want a media.
Oh,
You don't know. You know media. The media we see it. Them Falmouth chickens.
Listen.
Falmouth chicken Sanders, all of them. I support Gage and them thing on the levels. Full farm go build over there. Full farm go build over there. Ask Gage.
Put a camera over
Yeah
there.
man.
See the police station.
We do that.
See the infirmary there and
Yeah.
the hospital. Oh, if you put full farm in a town, are you not even supposed to have full farm in your yard or in a town area? How do you think, man? Do better than that.
Alright, such man. This is such man. Such man go cut the field now. Come here burn fire. You say lawnmower fix it. Me glad say lawnmower fix it. Me come in time. But me glad come back and catch him. I got beach you know. Go eat me cookie, drink me cookie porridge. I eat me pudding. You know see it. But we catch such man. I him and such man. I him won't Falmouth United. You know see it. The man Kim animal. But the man I say this a man this a brother no rich brother but the youth have give him heart and soul. That me love with such man. Such man and no bag of money. But such man love football. In father to play for village. In brother him is to play for village. This a man that love football. This a man have the money like certain man. And if such man have the money like all, yeah man, such man will build up the place. Big up yourself, such man.
Blessed man.
What you say?
We are line up for football.
Line up for football.
That's our life.
Yeah man, okay. So just go on your thing, such man. Because the Falmouth United are fear. And this man I want Falmouth United man Kimani Mali. So I go on doing thing. You put in look money when you have because such man are rich. A long time such man. The boy from village time too. Big up yourself such man. You me call such man. And not dads. Nah Kimali. This is such man I'm telling about. You come in right time. By God worker. God working and want Miss Steve was way better. Is them ever cut this one in a toe? And put this is such man getting gas there. In a seat. So they have gas. Yes. Cut it man. So by the time look at me come back in. Me soon come back in. Today. Tuning tomorrow.
Yeah man.
So where's Zidane? When you have Zidane? Funny of Zidane.
Zidane like captain, we said Zidane not going to.
Oh, there, man, to the point. You see them youth, the brother.
I've been Zidane team too, you know.
Eh, I've Zidane. I know it's for the man them team, but such man, this have a cut right through the ear and maintain right through the ear. Don't make a mistake, make it go up again, make it cut and maintain. So the man can play ball early evening time. Yeah, man, so the young boy in my compound can come over and play ball same way and see the big money. Yes, man, they want just like how Gage get support for building foul farm. The freezer Gage getting support for the community. Because Falmouth chickens and the man support Gage, you know.
Falmouth chicken support it, man.
Yeah, man, Falmouth chicken, big up. Says the Falmouth chicken.
Falmouth chicken support Falmouth United, man.
Yeah, man, Falmouth chicken a good youth, you know. Chris, you know, a good youth, you know. Falmouth chicken support Nip School too, you know. Yeah. That's why I'm going to buy Falmouth chickens, you know. I can't buy pay KFC, you know. All of KFC support football, same, you know, like that big up football now. But Falmouth chicken support the things in a Chilane. And big up Chris.
Yeah, man, Chris do a good job.
Do a good job.
3-4 years.
Yeah, man, Chris. Come out of Chris, come out of ignorance, enslaved, and knowledge liberated. Nip School past student too. They do a lot of good. So as I say, you think too long right now, I'm going to sign off it. Because pay for me a bun point in such man. You go see, you go watch it. Yeah, man. Me glad you're coming time. Make the land more up and running. Let me see it. Make the land more up and running. Now come back, you know. Me come back, come video, you know. I drive it. You know, see it. And that's when I cut already and big up that still and the man they do all you know. That's soon forward. Yeah, man, that's the one the next manager, you know. Yeah. Me know say, yeah man, me know say that's important. That's that man, me know that's the man. It's miserable, you know. That's my birthday. The whole of the man, me know for deal with the man, you know. Because that tell me, so, that say me for put up on my media, you know. And that say me for make it public. No. So me big up that. So, as I say, me I leave now. One of those such man. But want to interview with such man differently. Yeah man, today he was there. I'm not come back and watch. Yeah man, the field work out. So as I say, I beach me I go now. Boy, me hungry now, I want to judge. In a seat. Yeah man. Yeah man, for mine, I know me can, you see there? He did the same way, I mean nothing yet. He called and everything. Yeah man, so such man to the field work out. So I join come on and they pick up the grass in there. So they do them thing. Every see with them that fire me a bun still now. So I join come on there now. I pick up the grass. See there, I grass him I pick up. Yeah man, so work go on. Such man by the day for out, the field go cut. So and me they make them thing go on to the levels, you know. So as I say, I go beach now. Go talk about some schoolboy football. Yeah man. Yeah. And come back so come watch such man cut the field. Alright. Beach me I go now. Yeah man. Go make another post. Another content. I talk about schoolboy football. Yeah.